What's up, guys? This is Chad from Grove Family Projects. Well, today I'm going to put these gussets on a wood splitter and try to split some wood. We'll see what happens. And yesterday my friend Jeremy went ahead and marked out some gussets on this thing, that piece of metal. And he left his stuff here, so I'm going to try to cut that with his plasma cutter. We'll see how that works. Hopefully it works good. Alright. Well, what has this thing? Alright, guys. I'll try to put this gusset on. Yesterday, after I got this plate welded on, I hooked up to the skid steer and I picked it up without the gussets, and I shouldn't have done that because I bent the plate. So now I gotta fight it, get everything straightened back out. But this particular one, it looks like I can go ahead and weld this one in place. It didn't bend right there. So I'm gonna weld this one in place and try to straighten this thing out. So we'll see how this works. And if it is a little bit bent, that's okay. Looks like I need to just need to weld it. That's what I need to do. Not nitpick it, just weld it. Okay. That looks alright. Let's tack a couple more places and let's weld her up solid. I've really beefed it up some. I know I was going to put this one on the other side, but I think I'm going to just go ahead and put it right here. Like I can do it right there. I need to somehow see about pushing this side back. By putting this in place, I've got a reference to go to. So I think that's what I'm going to do. A little bit undercut, but that's alright. Alright. That's what I got going on. That thing is bent really bad on this side. It's hard to see it on here, but I put that plate up. The other side wasn't, so I welded them in place. So that side's solid. Now I need to figure out how I can pop this back out. I'm thinking getting my big tractor, tying it off with a chain, and pulling the front of this wood splitter over just enough and maybe I'll bend that out just enough where I can weld that bracket in, and that might suck that other side in. I don't know. Really don't know. I wish I hadn't bent it, because this is definitely a problem. Like I say, it don't have to be perfect. I could probably just get by and weld it up solid the way it is now, and it'd probably be alright. But, you know. The top looks straight. I don't know if I can weld the top in. Do the bottom. I don't know if I can get in the bottom and weld it, though. If I had a MIG, I could. I don't know. I need to cut 2 more of them pieces. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and cut them, and I'll be back. Here we go. Alright. Well, my friend Jeremy came back over to give me a hand today. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and try to straighten this up. And I think what we're going to do, we're going to try to close that gap. Try to close that gap right there. Alright. I know I've got to come along around here. I've got lots of crap around here everywhere. I don't know if we're going to get anywhere with it, but yeah, I don't know. I don't know if this is going to work or not.
Probably best to disconnect it from the skid steer. Then it will move. Right now you're pulling on the skid steer.
Well,
because what we're pulling on is sitting on the skid steer.
yeah, but this end's not anchored in nothing, so it'll shove this in that way.
True. Should anyway.
That's the theory behind it.
May want to push her come along. Chain it down a little bit.
Alright, what's it doing?
Alright, it's pulling it. But it's what it's doing is
Did it close the gap up?
no, every time you let go, watch. Whenever you pull, but it flexes right back.
Man, if we get the latch right there, because that's closed up right there.
You'll see it as soon as I let off. Did it go?
Hey, no, that's good. That's good. That closed the gap.
Okay.
Let's weld that. Okay, that ground.
Oh, put the ground back on.
That actually worked.
Corner still bounce a little bit.
Yeah.
Just try not to weld your hook.
Yeah. Didn't want to hit it. Alright, go ahead and see if it'll release. Okay, I can get this corner now. That hook is at. Oh, yeah, it's hooked up. And then I'm thinking about this side, we'll do the same thing, because see how it's bent like that.
Yeah.
So I go ahead and get started, weld it up to here,
Yeah.
and then we'll just go ahead and suck this end in also. And then the only thing we got to do is try to do that other.
That won't be bad. See ya. I don't know how we're gonna do that.
I wonder if we put a jack on the skid steer, push on that plate, and just shove it this way.
That might work. Looking for steel.
Huh?
I said, are you looking for something to place in there?
Yeah. Or a block of wood at work on the backside if this too long or what. Okay. Let's go say you want to go ahead and hold that place and I'll see about tacking it. Watch your eyes.
Yeah, hold on.
Ain't gotta be perfect.
Okay, go ahead.
Alright, can you let go?
Yep, she's good.
Okay. I'll go ahead and go on over on that side and I'll weld that up. So it's going to make it hard to put the weld the bottom one in. I wanted it first, but it's the way we got it screwed up. I knew better than try to pick up on that thing yesterday. I knew better. Did it anyway.
I thought you were just gonna hook up to it and
Yeah.
see how it.
On that one. Yeah, this bottom one's just going to be very, very hard to weld in place.
Yeah, not too bad. Call yourself a welder?
Huh?
Call yourself a welder?
No, I don't. I'm not a welder. I want to try to hook it back here. Let's see what that does.
Okay, how do you release this? There we go.
Okay, right there.
You'll say we're pulling outward on that.
Yeah, that's good right there. I think what we're gonna have to do is maybe try to squeeze them back inward, and I'm gonna weld a plate above both of them, and that'll help keep it from spraying them out. But I want to get this welded in here solid first. All right, what do you think?
Looks pretty good. I think what we should have done, Corey, whenever we first made the plate, put a support across that back of the plate.
Probably.
You know, just a piece of angle iron or square tubing.
Yeah.
Something just to.
Okay, let's go ahead and take the come along off, and maybe we could try to jack that other now. Okay, I wonder how far off this thing is still. It's got to come in about 3/4 of an inch.
Between the jack and the plate.
Right there.
It'll help
Okay.
distribute the.
We got lots of things going on here, don't we?
Yeah.
buddies, they don't have enough hands.
Yeah.
And this piece is hot. Imagine that, right?
Yeah, I want to know why.
Okay.
Can you hold that?
I'm going to go ahead and crimp this pair of vice grips on this handle. Undo that. I put that handle out of the way. Okay. These jacks, they don't work on their side very good at all. Some of them work better than others.
You gotta go all the way down with it. This, I think, slowly moving. Yeah, a little bit. Most of it's getting pushed this way, but I think it's.
Yeah, I got junk everywhere. I could just hit that button and it'll record.
I think your buddy's a little early. That's him.
The white truck?
Yep.
Yeah, I think it is him. What time is it?
Well, almost 1:30.
Yeah. It's a little early. Jeremy, I'm done with all your stuff. If you want to go ahead and load everything, your stuff up.
Alrighty.
Alright, let's finish welding this up. Friend Jeremy went home, and I'm glad he's able to stop and help me with this. That helped me out a lot. I'll probably block the camera view now. Why don't I move it over here? I actually need sucked in a little bit so I can actually put some across that. Huh. Okay. Now that one. There we go. Hoses are a little bit on the long side. guys, that seemed to work pretty good. I got hoses are too long. I'll shorten them up. I do have a hydraulic leak on the hose. I'm going to fix that. But that worked pretty good. You see me split that up. The mount seemed to hold up pretty good. See, I got fitting right here leak. I'm going to try to tighten that up. Nothing bent. I wanted to put a reinforcement on the back, but I don't know. But everything seems to be doing all right. Oh, it did bend right here. I don't know if you can see that right here. It pulled that apart. Okay. So I'm going to have to do something with that then. I'll have to put a gusset in right here. Okay, I need to tighten up that fitting what's leaking right there and weld something right there. I'll see if I can pull that back, because that spread that out. I don't know if those side did it or not. No, this side seemed to held up pretty good. Okay, I know what I got to do. I'll fix that real quick. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.